Beautiful day. Well, guys, looks like I got myself a common cold. But that's not all I got. I got other parts. LS. And a candy machine. Oh, there she'd be in all her glory. So this is an aluminum 5.3. Picked it up cheap because it lost oil pressure. Yeah, as if we never seen that coming. It's out of a 2014 apparently. I just picked up an oil pan as well. This will eventually be part of the 61 Pontiac build. Don't know much. Apparently these are good heads. They're 243 or whatever. So apparently they're good heads. I don't know. But being a 2014 model, it's got low kilometers on it. But unfortunately, like I said, they said, the engine lost oil pressure. So with that, apparently you gotta change a bunch of stuff in here because it's got that eco whatever thing where it drops it down to 4 cylinders or whatever. So this all has to be converted over. But I have another 5.3 out of a truck sitting in the back of the shop right now. So I'm gonna probably take whatever parts I can get out of there, check everything out, make sure it's all good, right? And throw the parts in it, just because I have them. So yeah, or maybe some performance parts, whatever I come across, right? But there she be in all her glory. Fairly clean too. So at least I don't have too much sludge to clean off, unlike the 400 over there. So yeah. So yeah, that comes with the gasket and everything. Perfect. I don't have to modify nothing. I don't have to do anything. Just pop that thing on the bottom. Good to go. Also, I got from the auction right on time. It's like everything just kind of fell into my lap at the same time. Engine stand, and pan. It's like it was meant to be or something. So, yeah. The only thing is, that pan cost me almost as much as the engine did. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's a band called Darmage, and there's also a new subscriber to me for some reason. I don't know why, but they're here. Welcome, and not exactly a new song. This about, according to this, about a year ago. Really good. I really got to brush up on my Spanish for many reasons. But that's Darmage, Testigos Nuestros Cadáveres. There you go. New one for the playlist. Yeah. There's also Fight the Fade featuring Daytrick. They just released a new song, a little collaboration. Really good tune. Really good tune. I play it, but I am not too sure if I get in trouble. once again through Fixed, as well as it's been on Vivo and stuff like that. So that's kind of why I'm not really playing it. I'll play Darmage instead. The Harp Twins as well, Camille and Kennerly. They just released another really cool tune. It's kind of a Nordic folk song, lullaby of some sort. Really good. If you're into that kind of stuff, go check that out. Other than that, in the news, Pierre Poilievre still kind of still pretty much morphing into Justin Trudeau. Now he's just, banning journalists from asking questions. Yeah, okay. Justin 2.0 is not looking very good. Oh boy. Other than that, still working on some new stuff. Got a couple of videos in the works right now, actually. Obviously, I'm not going to release them because they're not done. As many of you content creators already know, sometimes it takes a lot of time, a couple of weeks to sometimes a couple of months to make a video. Sometimes you're waiting on parts or waiting on whatever, or getting stuff organized to actually get the video. And then you got to edit it, and it's a mess. Either way, what it is I'm doing right now I'm doing a cat loader. It's a collision repair. So while I'm working on that, you'll see it eventually. So like I said, sometimes it takes a couple of weeks, a couple of months just to make a nice little 10-15 minute video just for you to watch and learn. Just like the last one. The last one was pretty straightforward. Getting a lot of hits and views on that one too. If you haven't seen it yet, go check out the joystick I did on the case loader. Fun times. Not really. Ugh. Other than that, I've been kind of, as you've seen earlier, I kind of announced it. I have a tiny little cold. I'm suffering from a cold. I got a little cold. No big deal. So I got a little sniffle. Remember when we had sniffles back in the day? Oh, so it brings back a lot of fond memories of simpler times. Other than that, what else we got in the spotlights? Not much going on. J-Ride just finished painting up his 67 Chevy short box. Looks great. Can't wait to see it in person. I'll tell you that right now. I was supposed to be there, was it last week or the week before or whatever? We had a Monday off. Well, I never did. I ended up getting called into work. Really sucks. But that's the nature of the business I am in right now. Eventually, I will get out of it. Hopefully soon. Oh, that's tasty. Apparently, that's frowned upon at YouTube land to drink online. Oh, well. Oh, yes. Dan of Dee Dee's Speed Shop and Uncle Tony appear to be working together to keep Peg's leg hidden down there in Nashville. Rumor has it the leg holds some secrets of the universe. Deep inside of it. I guess it's a hollow leg, just something in there. So now they're trying to hide it away. That's the rumor. That's what I think is going on. It's a conspiracy theory, I'm sure. Ah, yes. But other than that, not a whole hell of a lot going on. Well, I mean, there is, but there's not. You still got more train derailments and more spillages and more just chaos and climate people talking nonsense and just on and on. And you get sick and tired of talking about it. So you got to change it up, right? And bring up new conspiracy theories, just like, I'm pretty sure Dan and Uncle Tony are working together to hide Peg's leg. So the secrets of the universe will never be revealed. Back me on that. Guaranteed that's what's going on. No wonder Peg's mad. But other than that, yeah, so I got this head cold and stuff like that. So somebody's sent me something, a little bit of a remedy or whatever. I wasn't too sure of the outfit they were wearing or whatever, but here, get a load of this stuff. It's got some herbs and stuff in there and whatever else. I just don't know. Anyways, apparently it works really good. So we're gonna. They said not to take a lot, just enough, right? Just half a shot or something will do. It's apparently medicine. I'll take a little bit of this, kind of herbal stuff, like cough syrup maybe. Smells something. Smells like something. That I will say. Put that back over there. So, yeah. Look at the color. All right. Here goes nothing. Oh. Well. Ooh. Interesting. Apparently one of the things is there's honey in it. I can taste that at least. It's Where the hell am I? What just happened? I have no idea what's going on. What century I'm in? Woo!
So a lot of people believe that this is for sure a glitch in the Matrix. This person's reality glitched out. This cup broke in their washing machine, and the piece that they found fits it perfectly, but it's backwards, which makes no sense. Does anybody have any logical explanations as to why this would happen? Let me know.